Good evening, YouTube. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And if you're new to the channel, I would like for you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video so you guys, so other people that are struggling with how to make extra side money can get a look in how they can earn some side money with the help of my videos, okay? And also subscribe to my channel so you guys can get notified whenever I upload a video. Okay, so today one of my subscribers asked me to make a video on the app GiftLoop because they just downloaded it on their phone and they kind of need my help with showing them how it works. Okay, so we're gonna open the app here, and the first thing you see on this app is I have my points here. I have 176,755 coins. Basically got that from using this app. So what you get paid to swipe, so you swipe, and first thing you see there is I get 5 coins just for clicking on that. And there's little apps that are going to pop up here, and you can get paid. You can get points just for installing it. So if I install this app right here, I'll get 792 coins added to my balance here. So all you do is download and start the app, and you get the points. And they have a lot of coins. So just swiping it, and then every now and again you'll get a video.
Jim was in an accident on his bicycle. Some days the challenges are very difficult. The nice part about this razor is that it's convenient and it gives a very nice smooth shave. The gel has a cooling
Okay, as you guys just saw, that was a video. The video did pause for a second, so I'm not sure I'm gonna get credited those 50 points just because the video was acting funny. But here we go with another app. Install and open the app. All you do is install this app and open it and let it stay open for 1 or 2 minutes, and you'll get 1,260 coins. That is what I did when I first started with this app. I swiped and I clicked on whatever I could to earn me coins, and I took the surveys, which they have tap research, and you get a lot of coins from that. Mostly you get 100 coins from tap research. I'm going to show you guys this. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Sorry about this. Okay, so I'm going to show you where it says choose here. Click on choose. And this is where you have all your tabs to find everything. If you guys want to do different offers, if you want to find other things to do on here to earn you coins, I would go here because this is where I normally went. When I first started with this app, I just installed and opened apps when I first started because they had a lot of install and open apps on here. So just scroll through there and find out, like Receipt Pal. You can get 4,021 coins just for installing, registering, and scanning a receipt. With these apps, you can install them and keep them on your app for 3 days, and you'll get the points. But you have to do what it says, okay? I would just do the ones that say install and run because all you do is install it, open it for 1-2 minutes, and then you can delete it. But you guys can find things on here that you can do. Here's one right here. Find, install, and open the app. That's 780 points that you could get. Let's see if there's anything else. I would say Marvel Contest of is a very fun game. It's like a fighting game with your favorite Marvel characters. It's just really good. You just get to level 25. It's actually a good game. I've played it. I actually have this installed on my phone. This is a jigsaw puzzle collection. I've never played this before, but I'm pretty sure you guys should try this. Gives you 42,301 coins. See what else on here. Pop slots. Reach level 18 and you'll get 54,990 coins. If you install and complete Village 3, you will get this. Matter of fact, I'm actually going to do that right now. Install this game because I can get to Village 3 within a day. That's how much confidence I have in myself. I played Coin Master before, but it's a fun game. Coin Master is fun. Really fun, okay? So, I hope you guys are getting the gist of it so far. That's going to download. I'm going to let that download. And like I said, pop slots, all you got to do is get to level 18 and you get 54,990 points. Just scroll through here and find out which ones that you can complete. Me, like I said, they don't really have anything on here that I actually need, so I just don't really do it. But here are some more you can earn by installing apps, it says. Sorry about the vibration on my phone, you guys. I just get a lot of notifications. So like I said, here's another one. Install, open, and redeem your points. You get 9,000 points for doing that. Let's see. I would just try the ones that you guys can do, because you don't want to do something that you don't want to install an app on here and you're not going to use it. So let me see. Looney Tunes is actually a really fun game. All you gotta do is get to level 16, and I could see getting to level 16 within maybe 2 to 3 days on that app. It's actually pretty fun. Let's see what else. It depends on how high of a level you want to go up. They have it here. You can download this one and just get to level 11 and you can get your 65,400 points. So this is just another way to open to get more coins. Here's iHeartRadio. Install, open, listen to the Christmas podcast and you get 7,200 points. Or you can download the Looney Tunes game and just complete level 6, which is not hard to get to. I got to level 5 in like a day. Because I have this app installed on my phone already. Here's another install and open one. Like I said, you guys are going to come through here and find out what it is that you can do and what you're willing to do. So let me exit out of here. And I found that by clicking on choose and going to earn by installing apps. Now here, let me take you to the surveys. It's tap research surveys and disqualification points are 100. You get 100 points for disqualification on here. Okay, so those of you that are familiar with tap research, and you can get paid to watch videos too. Okay, so you can push the play button and you get 50 points, and I think it's limited, so I don't know how many videos you can watch a day. You guys might want to look at that. And then we have the bonus over here, daily specials, where you guys can come on here when you log on, and if it says collect, like right here, watch a short video and get 100 coins. You just hit collect and you'll get it. Special app, install and open the app. You get 600 points. Let's see. You can come on here and just find certain things to do. These are daily specials, so every day they have this on here where you can just come on here and see what you can collect for coins. So collect 100 coins just for watching this video. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So yeah, I ended up getting 100 coins. And this one is install and open the app at 600 points. So basically you get points for swiping. You get points for swiping. Every time you see this little picture with the cats and a little text here, white text or black text with cats in it, it's going to say collect 5 coins and continue. You're automatically going to get 5 coins when you click it, unless the app is just crashing. But just swipe, and this is I'm going to copy my referral link here for you guys to sign up. I'm going to leave this link in the description if you guys are interested in joining. Here's another one, download and start, 1,832 coins. Now, my advice to you guys is don't let this app sit here. Use it every day, once a day. Do whatever you can on here, because you don't want to sit here and let your points just sit there like I did, because I could have cashed out already, and the cash out is $15. I'm going to show you that right now. So basically, you get paid to swipe. Hold on, let me exit out of here real quick. You get paid to swipe. You're going to see these little pictures pop up and collect 5 coins. Every time you swipe, you're going to see that every single time. So you're going to automatically get 5 points. Okay, so just swipe. You get paid to swipe. You get paid to come on here and go to the bonus and look at the daily specials. You can come over here and choose offers. You can complete offers. You can install apps, or you can take surveys, and you can watch videos. And over here, we have the gift cards. So if you guys want a $5 Visa USD, you can get that. A $5 Burger King, you're going to need 100,000 points, which I have 176,000, but I don't really want that because I'm not really that type of person. So I want the PayPal money. So I need, let's say, 200 more, maybe two. I don't know. I know I need a lot more points to get to 300,000, but I really would have been there by now if I had to just use this app like I was using it, but I stopped using it. So the $15 payout, you gotta get 300,000 coins, which you guys will get if you sit here and download the apps, watch the videos, and swipe. Okay, you can get, people have claimed to have gotten money just off of swiping and being able to cash out from GiftLoop just from swiping alone. So if you don't believe me, watch YouTube videos on it, because they said I've made a cash out just from swiping alone. This is a really good app, you guys. And you guys don't want to pass up money. This is $15. It's not a lot, but trust me, if you guys do this plus all the other apps I told you about, you guys will be making money. Not an income, not enough money to quit your job, but enough money to get you by. If you got to pay a cell phone bill, you got to put gas in your car, that's what this is for. This is not to pay your rent, because it's not to pay your rent, but this is to put gas in your car for you to buy a meal, a dinner or something, a Rockstar coffee, Starbucks, restaurant, go to Jack in the Box or McDonald's or something. But it's not going to pay your rent, okay? It'll pay a cell phone bill. If you do all the sites I'm telling you, and the apps too, it'll pay your cell phone bill, but it will not pay your rent. So you will not get rich off this, and you will not be able to quit your job. So this is just for you guys if you just want to make some extra cash and you want to be able to buy certain things, okay? So I hope you like this video. I'm going to leave the referral link below for those of you that want to sign up. So like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I make a video. All right, take care, you guys.